Hey Gonz fam, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day because why? We're having a great day. Okay, so let's check out this look. So it is a cut crease. Obviously, you know. Yes, so it is kind of like a sunset-ish kind of thing. For some reason, when I look at this, it reminds me of Arizona. I don't know. Maybe because like the warm colors mixed with the blue. Don't ask me, I don't know. It definitely feels tropical, I know that. So we have our blue, we have our yellow, and our orange. We actually have, you know, this little line right here. I guess this would be like a double cut crease, kind of, sort of, not really, a little bit. Anyways, yes, I am really happy with the way this look came out because this is the first time I've done it. I actually made this like a pictorial, so if you follow me on Instagram, you will see this look. Yes. We have our standard glow. We have a little bit of blush. We don't really have highlight for our cheeks today. Only the brows, the nose, and our inner tear ducts. We also have a clear gloss with a little bit of glitter on the bottom, just to set it off a little bit. Yes, if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and support the channel by subscribing. Yes, we love the fam. We love the fam. We need more of the fam. So go ahead and join the fam. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys really like this look.
Starting out, as always, our brows and our lids have already been primed. So we're going to go ahead and jump into our first palette. This is the 88 Shimmer Colors by BH Cosmetics, and we're going to go for that true blue. When we apply this blue, you're just going to go ahead and add the entire thing all over your lid. Make sure that you're packing on that color really tightly because this is going to be a cut crease, so we need to make sure that it's very, very high contrast. So when you're applying your color, just remember that you're doing that pat, pat, pat motion. That way you can get the most pigment onto your eye. Okay, I'm very satisfied with how my blue is coming out. So we're going to go ahead and cut that crease. This is the white concealer by Conceal. And again, like any other time, you're just going to go ahead and plant some product. And then you're going to block out that shape. And then you're going to go ahead and cut that crease. Now, this isn't going to be like a half cut crease or anything like that. So when I actually did this, I brought that crease all the way to the bottom of my brow. Usually I do like a half cut crease, but this time I'm actually following that whole shape of my eye. Because that concealer is so wet, I tried to like smooth out, you know, the product a little bit by switching to the brow pencil. And again, this is like a white by LA Colors, and I'm just adding this just to I guess add a different surface to my eye because that concealer is pretty wet and I'm starting not to like how it's coming out. So now we're going to go ahead and switch to our Zulu palette, and this time we're going to go for that orange. When we add this orange, we're going to start off on the outside because the inside is going to be a lighter color. So we want to, for me personally, I like to add the darker color. That way I can like block out the shape. And for here, like I said, we brought that cut crease all the way out to where our brow usually is. So I'm using like a super, super small fine brush just to make sure that I'm following that line exactly because I don't want my blue and my orange to start to mix. now that we have our orange in place, we're going to switch to the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and this time we're going to go for that bright lemon yellow. And yes, you guessed it, it's going to the inner corners of our eyes. When you first add the color, you just want to make sure you pack it on, especially with that yellow, because it's like super hard to get on. So I'm really focusing on making sure my blue and my yellow don't mix, because I don't want like that fine green line there. So I'm trying to pack on my yellow as best I can before I start to blend between my yellow and my orange, because I don't want that super harsh line that you see right there. So yeah, pack it on first and then worry about blending after. So after I've packed on my color, I'm using my finger to go ahead and blend between those two colors. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my face, my lashes, my liner, and all of that good stuff. But again, I just need to make sure I blend everything first. So this is what the look looks like after I've added my liner and I've added my lashes. I think this look is really nice. So now we're going to go ahead and move on and do our waterline. Again, we're using our basic black retractable black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just putting this underneath my eye. I like this one because it's easy to come off. So now I'm taking the remainder pigment that was left on that super small brush and I'm adding it to the bottom of my lash line, and this is just like a super light yellow. I'm not going super hard with it, but it needs to be there. Now I'm going to go ahead and prep my bottom lashes with the Mega Length mascara by Wet n Wild, and you know, a little bit goes a long way, so just go ahead and plump that. Get your gloss ready. This is the Clear Lip Gloss by KY. It's kind of like a jelly kind of thing. I'm going to add a little bit of that to our lips. We're going to finish it off with our Diamond Lip Gloss. This is Glitz. It's kind of like a champagne color, like a natural. And then I'm going to go ahead and top that off with some glitter. This is kind of like a copper-ish type glitter. We only add a little bit because we want it to have like a super natural type look, like a natural lip color. Top off with some more lip gloss, and then our look is complete. Ladies, what do y'all think about this look? I think it came out great. I probably should have spent a little bit more time blending, but you know, it's a learning process. You live and you learn. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know how y'all ladies think about this. Would you wear it? Yes, you would. You wear all my looks. Anyways, yes, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.